Hey guys, it's Katie from Cerebrium Studio, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can post a video on Facebook that is in the correct size and aspect ratio for the platform. You may have filmed a video that you want to upload to Facebook, but you don't know if it's in the correct aspect ratio, or maybe you filmed a video with a completely different social media platform in mind. You can obviously directly record a video through the Facebook app itself and just upload the video straight off the bat. Most of us tend to want some editing before we post our video anywhere online. Luckily, it's really simple and easy to upload a video to Facebook, and it's also super straightforward to transform a video so that it's the appropriate size for a Facebook video. I am going to show you how you can do this super easily through an online video editor called Cerebrium.com. You can open up your browser and search Cerebrium and go to Cerebrium.com. Then you log into your account and you can get a 2-week free trial with Cerebrium, so don't worry at all, as you can test out the software first before you commit to anything. You then upload your video that you would like to change the aspect ratio of. So the interesting and unique thing about this particular video editor is that you can use it to create multiple different aspect ratios for your social media channels. So you can upload one video, any aspect ratio, and the software will create a range of different aspect ratios for you, all of which are appropriate for any social media channel, whether that's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitch, Twitter, Snapchat, you name it. Here you can move around the crop tool and resize like so. Along the bottom row you'll see a range of different social media icons indicating the different aspect ratios that each platform requires, and when you click on one of them, for example the Facebook icon here, it shows you which sizes are appropriate to be uploaded to Facebook video, and you can still play around with the size and framing of your video to ensure that it's exactly right for what you want. To select the appropriate size, just click on the Facebook icon like so, amend the box as required, and then once you're happy with the size selection of your new video, click on the little box in the upper right hand corner to move on to the video editing page. This is where you can make any additional edits to your video that you so wish. Once you've made any edits that you'd want, click on the preview button on the upper right hand corner and you're then taken to this page where you can download as many versions of your video as you need, and it will be emailed directly to the email associated with your Cerebrium account. Now you have your video ready to post on Facebook with no watermark whatsoever. As I mentioned earlier in the video, Cerebrium does offer a 2-week free trial, so please do feel free to go and check out the editor. I will leave all of the links down in the description box below. Don't be afraid to let us know what you think of this video editor. We are always looking for new feedback.